Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial video. In this video we are going to find solution for another two challenges in OWASP Juice Shop. And here we are going to solve these two challenges. Confidential document, we need to access the confidential document in this website, and also we are going to attack on DOM XSS attack. So let's go and start this. Go to Juice Shop here, come to this burger shop, go to About Us. Let's start this. Come here in this text, check for this link, check out pouring towns. Before that, go to Bob Sort and turn on the intercept. Now go to here, click to this link and just cancel it. Just can see here is illegal MD. Cancel this. Go to here, turn on your proxy. Now again come here and click on this link. You got here. Now send this to repeater. From here, check here. We have this legal MD. Just remove this and send it again. Now come to this window, response window, go down here, scroll down, here we have the directory. So in this directory you have to check for document, confidential document. But we can see here is acquisition. This might be a confidential document. So what we are going to do, copy this, come here and paste it. Now send it again. See, we found planned acquisition. This document is confidential. Do not distribute. Blah, blah, blah. This is the confidential data. It just existed. So come here to our website. You have successfully solved challenge scoreboard, and the last one we did is you have successfully solved a challenge confidential document. Access the confidential document. So let's go to the another challenges. For that, come here, DOMS attack. So here just copy this payload, and to see what is going to happen, what we are going to do here, click here, go to insert element. So we want to see what's going to happen. Copy, paste that payload here. Please come out. Yes. Now enter. See, this box is added here. to search that whether the frame is added in the code, search for XSS document, and we have added this XSS frame in this code. Now come here and check for this code word. Yes, we have solved this problem. Thank you for watching.